Mga tubig karon.
You wanna come just now. And I will to understand. There is sorrow and pain, and you need to show it on. All you have to do is know that I will bear when I'm out again. When my home is so long and empty, and all you see is nothing but darkness. Don't you just hold on to it in your heart. Oh, my Lord, you see my love will see you to take you. When you press down like a sea, when you climb the high street, my life will always be and everything. And there's still for me, and there will be. Don't be afraid to follow your feet. Oh, my love, we'll see. Oh. Thank you very much. Salamat po. Kaya po kung mag-aagit-agit na kanya susunod. Ang payo lang po yung bayo. Pasalamat po. This is sampol sana. Ang sunod po talaga sa kasalan. Kamong segunda kaya tapapusan na niyong sa bisis mangyayari. Okay na eh. Salamat po sa kabos. Adagas na po ang karantaan. Problema ka dito. Ano naman sa mga bila?